Yes, you are the winner. Welcome, my people. Welcome again. We're on the delivery trail. And this morning we are with Kasai. This man is the winner of the dollar promotion. Every promotion we have one person that really understands how it works and milk it for all it's worth. Boom. That is exactly what I'm talking about. This man understands the thing. And this man paid how much? Look upon him now. How much he paid for shipment?
$1.
Say it again. One digga dollar in pay for all of that for shipment. He understood how it worked. How you feel about the whole thing?
Feel good.
Feel good. Feel good to capitalize.
Yeah, because I got the messages, and the
Yeah.
notifications, and I just spoke with the person and tell me everything. So
Yeah.
alright, I capitalize on it,
You win.
Yeah, man.
You win. As a matter of fact, based on this hall, I think I should say to management, because he's the winner, that we should give him a free shipping coupon, right? You don't think so?
Why not?
So he can win again. And this is how we do it on our delivery trail. This is how we do it with our shipping. We make everyone a winner. Once you're a customer of ours, you're a winner. All right? Anything else you want to say?
Well, just bless up the company. Very
Yeah.
good company. Ship one time and leave.
And make sure you invite some other people to come across and understand.
Yeah, just come across. And social media,
Yeah.
Instagram,
Yeah.
Facebook pages. It's all. It's all.
So there you have it on the delivery trail. We're in Spanish Town. But what did never have one big oh, the reservoir. Okay. What the area called? Jodeslin. Okay, cool. Alright, I'm not keep much of your time because we have a whole heap of package to unwrap.
Yeah.
You win. Thanks much. Alright, have a good one.